All right, welcome back. Today is a good day. So I finally got my brackets figured out for the newer style bumpers. I'll show you what I did here. So I took cardboard and the newer style. So 89 to I think 94, maybe 95 have the style you see in my other videos where it's just right back here and it has 2 bolts for mounting the bumper. The newer ones, I think all the 4 doors have it. I think 96, 95 or 96 and to 98 2 doors are this way. So there's a bolt down here. There's a bolt up here that mounts the bumper on. And so this takes a different style bracket. And so I took a piece of cardboard, one of these pieces, started with, and I went down there, went up here, kind of got a bracket figured out to fit between the two. Iteration 1, didn't like that one, added a little bit to it. So I said, you know, I don't like the way that it's pulling on this bolt, I want to get into this body mount here to get a little more strength. So I put a little ear on there and got into something that looked like that, and I like that quite a bit. So I put that into CAD. I made my paper template, which is not here. I put it upstairs, traced it onto the bracket, cut a bracket out, and it was the wrong size. So I had to, that one was over here. I added a bunch to it and it looks terrible, but it's functional. Anyway, so I added some to the trace pattern, and now I have a bracket. It sits just like that. So bolt goes in the top here. Let's get these in here. Top. Get the bolt at the bottom. Come on. There we go. All right, that one there. That one there. So I like how rigid they are. This one I haven't punched the holes into the body mount yet, but there's a hole here, hole here. So you'll have bolt, bolt, and bolt and bolt to hold these brackets on. It's pretty strong, should be great, should be plenty for the 5,000 pound winch for this one. Anyway, the bumper cover, everything else is made exactly the same as seen in my previous videos. I'll put a link to them right here. Don't know if you can see me, but a link right here. Anyway, when you're making your bumper, this is the bumper from the other tractors. You won't have these brackets on it. But when you make your bumper, follow the instructions in my other video with the exception of these brackets. These will be cut out, shipped to you, whatever. You'll hand bend this piece here, hand bend this piece here, and then re-weld, strengthen them up. And then once you get them mounted on there, bumper cover, slides on, and you get in there and you weld those in. So there you have it. Brackets are ready for so bumpers are ready for all of the first gen tractors now. So whether it's a bumper without a winch in it, or if you want the one with the winch in it, yeah. Again, link in the description if you want to order one. It's a bare metal bumper kit, just like my other kits. It's just slightly different mounting brackets, but plenty strong for what you're doing. I think I've had some comments on my other winch video about, oh, we were only holding it on with 2 little bolts. I'd pinned the frame and everything else. Let me explain something. The winch is a 5,500 pound winch. It's not meant to be a 12,000 pound winch. Start with that. Number 2, that winch is held on with four bolts. 4 little, I think they're 10 millimeter 1.2 by 1.25 bolts, which is the same that's holding this on. Well, this one will actually have a couple extras here. And so the bolts in the winch are going to fail before the bolts on the frame. So you're only strong as your weakest point, which would be the 4 bolts in the winch. So that's why I designed it this way. That's why it's not a 12,000 pound winch, because it's a 3,000 pound car. Yeah, that's why. And the shear strength of this bolt is, I thought last time I looked up, it was like 7,500 pounds, which is more than the winch can pull. You multiply that by 4, I'm plenty strong. Anyway, that's where we're at. Thanks for watching. If you want to order one, there's my emails in the description. Shoot me an email and I'll get you pricing. Yeah. Thanks for watching.